Hello there. In today's tutorial, we'll walk through the steps on how to delete your purchase history on eBay, making sure you have a smooth and hassle-free experience. Whether you're tidying up your account or simply want to maintain privacy, this guide will cover everything you need to know. Let's dive in. First and foremost, you'll need to log into your eBay account. You can sign in using your email address, username, or even through social media options such as Facebook, Google, or Apple. If you haven't yet joined the eBay community, this might be the perfect opportunity to create an account. You can choose between a personal or business account, depending on your needs. Simply provide your full legal name, a valid email address, and a secure password. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the registration process by clicking the Create Account button. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your personalized dashboard. This is a hub where you can view all your orders from the past 7 years, track your recent purchases, pay for items, or initiate returns. It's essentially your command center for managing eBay transactions. Look towards the top right of your screen and click on the Purchase History tab. This section is crucial as it gives you a comprehensive overview of your order activity. Inside the purchase history, you'll see a list of your past transactions. To manage these, locate the More Actions drop-down menu next to each purchase. Clicking this menu offers various options, such as contacting the seller or initiating a return. If you wish to remove an item from your purchase history, use this menu to select the Hide Order option. This feature is perfect for organizing your list or keeping certain purchases discreet. However, if you hide something by mistake, don't worry. You can always navigate back and adjust it. If you encounter any issues while trying to clear your purchase history, there's no need to panic. Simply head over to the Help and Contact section. In the search bar, type in Purchase History to get specific guidance and solutions. From here, you can find detailed instructions and, if necessary, reach out to eBay's customer service for additional support. The customer service team is always ready to assist and can help you resolve any persistent issues. Once you've managed your history to your liking, you're all set. Remember, maintaining a clean and organized purchase history can enhance your overall eBay experience, making it easier to track orders and manage your account. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you found this guide on tidying up your purchase history on eBay helpful. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next one.